Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Call of Duty mobile game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can leave a clan that you have joined if you don't wish to become a member anymore. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Call of Duty game on your device, and after logging in with your appropriate account, you will be taken into the home page. Now from the home page, go ahead and tap on clan at the bottom section. This will now take you directly into the clan that you have joined. You can start to join a clan war if you wish to do so, or you can also invite other friends in order to join the same clan that you are a member of. If you wish to leave this clan, then simply tap on member at the left side, and now this will show you the list of all of the members within this clan. Once you find your username, look at the right side and you will see the door icon. Go ahead and tap on this, and you will now be asked whether you are sure that you want to quit this clan, and you will also be told that after quitting one, you will not be able to join another one for at least 24 hours. In order to confirm, tap on the OK button, and now you will successfully leave this clan right away. You will then be taken into the clan menu, from which you can look at the various different clans that you can join. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to leave a clan that you have joined on the Call of Duty mobile game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.